There we go.
She liked that.
That was good. There we go. So it just clicked. And one more. And now the head comes all the way back. Wow, look at the range of motion change. In case you want to see the solar eclipse next time. So we have a really fun guest today, which is Betty White, a golden girl, a golden retriever. This is her owner and dad, Andrew. They live pretty close to my office, and I guess you guys found me through Instagram, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
The reason I wanted to do this video is because some people ask me, do I only bring my dog to you if they're hurt? And that probably makes up 95% of my visits, is pain, right? Or something going on that the owner is concerned. Or they brought their dog to the veterinarian, and the veterinarian said, try these meds, let's see how it goes. They take an x-ray, they do blood work, and there's no tumors or cancer. And they said, you know, just try to make your dog comfortable. And someone might recommend try a chiropractor, not always, but enough to keep me busy. And it's a great alternative to just waiting to see if the meds might kick in finally and help with lameness, limping, things like that. So, but in your case, you're just a healthy, happy dog. Betty White, I love the name Betty White. You are a golden girl. You're gorgeous. And there's a reason these are very popular dogs, because they're just amazing. You're amazing. Okay, thank you. And so I wanted to give you a checkup. So the idea is, can you give your dog a head-to-toe checkup? And the same thing happens in my human chiropractic practice, where I do have people that originally come into me usually for pain, and then after the pain goes away, they say, should I ever do this thing again? And I go, yeah, come once a month, or come 4 times a year, or come once a year, whatever suits you. And they want to kind of stay on top of it. And as the dog gets older, and she's turning 9 in July, that's correct, right? You know, we want to just keep our dogs well and happy. I also have this video course called How to Massage Your Dog. And the website, believe it or not, is howtomassageyourdog.com. Makes it really easy. I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. But it's a 3-hour video course with 15 chapters where I teach how to do all the massage techniques. Thumbs, fists, skin rolls. I show how to work on the face, the chest, the front legs, the back legs, the hips, the back, everything. And I also show how you could just do it a few minutes a day, and I also show how you could do a full-out routine. The reason that might be good for you guys is he is worried about keeping his dog well for as many years as possible. And while you're sitting on the couch anyway, watching TV with the dog next to you, instead of doing your same 5 moves that you already know, you might add a few moves. You might add some lower back or hip or glute, buttock stuff, front leg, back leg, just add to it. And add a little technique. You're on the couch anyway with your dog, right? You do that, you sit with dad. Yeah, all the time. And you could do a lot with massage on any animal. But that's an idea, so tell your dad to get it. And howtomassageyourdog.com. Okay, then I just plugged that. And she's like thinking, why are you talking about your product? Okay, well I did, okay, it's already done.
But she'll wait.
May I work with you today? What do you think about that? I'd like to ask, can I work with her today? Is it okay if I work with you? All right, maybe? Okay. The dog's head should be able to come all the way up, and it's a little stiff. It was a little jerky at the top. So I'm gonna release that and then recheck it. So I'm up here at the atlas, and there we go. So it just clicked, and one more. And now the head comes all the way back. Wow, look at the range of motion change.
Okay.
That's really cool. So I guess you needed that. In case you want to see the solar eclipse next time. We had the solar eclipse
last
week. So I don't know when the video will be posted. But next time you can see the solar eclipse. But wear your sunglasses, please. And here's a little bit of C4. There you go. And I'm going to back it up with a little bit of a tapping instrument. Feel what this feels like. It's not bad. Got it. Let's take your nose down now. Little stiffness that way. Okay, take your nose this way, in a good range of motion, right lateral flexion. Good, left lateral flexion. I don't like forward flexion, it's a little stiff, so I'm gonna do a little adjustment for that. And that one we're gonna do a bilateral little flip with the atlas. There we go.
She liked that.
That was good. A little head shake is good for you. So let's try it now. Can you bring your head down? And good. All the way to the sternum. And all the way up. Got it. Nice. Okay, you're going to thank me for that later. And you'll see sometimes with senior dogs, they have trouble bringing their head down to their dog bowl. So then the owner doesn't fix the neck. They just get the dog bowl at a higher level. That's a good idea, but you never got to the cause, right? So what happened? Why can't the dog bring its head into forward flexion enough to meet the... Or the other thing the dog does, it lays on its belly and brings its face over the dog bowl and eats that way on its belly. Isn't that telling you something changed, right? So we see pattern changes, and that's something that we think, hey, maybe there's something structurally off. And a dog just jumping off a couch can whip their neck and get a little whiplash, and then they all of a sudden, or within a week or two, can't bring their head down to the dog bowl, and you're just solving it by bringing the dog bowl up. But I just fixed your dog bowl situation for at least the next year. Okay, now I'm in the lower neck. Oh, your jaw's out a little bit. There it goes. Just did your TMJ. You want to shake out on that one? No, I want more. You want me to keep working on you? Okay, I will. You're a good dog. Okay, so now I'm down. Dogs have 7 bones in their neck. They have 13 bones in their thoracic spine and 7 lumbars. Listen, because I'm teaching you this, and there will be a test on Thursday, so pay attention. And all mammals have 7 bones in their neck, except what? Do you remember? Right, manatees and sloths. Correct. Manatees and sloths are exceptions, but even giraffes have 7 bones in their neck, or mice, right? And definitely beautiful dogs like you. So now I'm in the lower neck here. And then in the thoracics is where we change. So dogs have 13, humans have 12, horses have 18, cats have, we don't like cats. Do you like cats? Cats have 13. Lumbars change too. Dogs and cats have 7, humans have 5, horses 6, right, 6. She got that right. You knew. Okay. So now I'm in between the withers area, T3 through T8, and we're just palpating and working through those muscles, working through those joints, and now we're down in this area. And this area gets a little stuck on you. So here's one. Ready? Oop, that clicked. Made a little pop. And now we're down here through the lumbars. If you feel for these bones, right here are bony landmarks called the tuber sacralis. That's Latin, but that's how I know where the sacrum is. So that's high points on the ilium on the right and left. Just between it is your sacrum. And she's a little high in sacro-base left, so I'm going to adjust that now. Ooh, that made a pop. Did you hear that one? Yeah. So that was good. What do you think of that one?
She likes it.
She likes this chiropractor. Yeah. She's like, you're going to have to take me there 4 times a year now.
I think that's it.
Okay, so now I'm into the chest. Let's bring this leg up, check range of motion. Good. Let's check this humerus. Good. Let's have you lay on your side now. Come down. We're going to start checking your hip. Massaging into the hip, bringing the leg forward, bringing it back. Good. A little tighten here. So right here I'm massaging, and you could see I can really work into this whole hip. Bring your head down. And the more that you do with the dog, the more that they will get used to it and like it and nudge you to do it for them. And here's the hip. And I'm into the glutes now. And another good thing about working on your own dog is it's diagnostic. So as you're coming down the back, you feel a lump.
Yeah.
I don't feel any on your dog. And usually it's just a benign little fatty lipoma. And you go, oh my God, there's a lump here. And then you go to your vet and they go, it's nothing. Dogs get that. But there could be a time where you feel something that the vet needs to see. And with early detection, you can save your dog's life. So there's good reasons to not just do the famous 5 moves that you always do, but to also check your dog and rub the whole body of the dog. I'm in the belly, I'm in the chest, I'm under the armpit, I'm down the leg, and you touch everything. If dogs are sensitive to their paws getting touched, you can give them little treats while you touch their paw, and then little by little they'll let you touch your paw. And then they'll also be easier to work with when you take them for grooming or taking them to get their nails clipped if you don't do that yourself. And I'm just working on everything here. Now I'm going to go to the other leg, and I'm underneath, I'm on the paws, I'm feeling the joints of the feet, I'm checking the knees, the hock, which is like the ankle, and checking the front. That was good already. We already did that one. Good. And then I think you're doing really great. Okay, you're such a healthy dog. Let's see your teeth. There, let's look at your teeth. Okay, you look good. Let's see these teeth. Yeah, even your teeth are clean. Pretty good. Pretty good teeth. You're a healthy guy, girl. All right, let's finish with that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is about keeping your dog well. It's Wellness Chiropractic. So thank you very much. I adjusted a few spots on you. Adjusted your atlas. I adjusted C5. I got your neck extension past 90 degrees.
Yeah.
We released her sacrum. We went all the way down the back. We checked everything. I found a few spots in her lumbars and her thoracolumbar junction that needed adjusting, so I handled that today. And you'd be surprised, just like we get achy in spots, so can a dog. Thanks so much. So I'm up here at the atlas, and there we go. So it just clicked. And one more. And now the head comes all the way back. Wow, look at the range of motion change.
Okay.
That's really cool. So I guess you needed that in case you want to see the solar eclipse next time.